Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Adam and I make videos to help you trade smarter, stay ahead of the market, and get the most out of the latest trading tools. Now let me ask you something. How many times have you missed a trade because you weren't fast enough? Or maybe you didn't have the right data at the right moment? I know I've been there, and honestly, it's one of the most frustrating parts of trading. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up algorithmic trading on Axiom using AxiomBolt. This tool is a total game changer. It gives you speed, intelligence, and security in one place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set it up, how to use the most important features, and how it can keep working for you even while you're away from your screen. The first thing you need to do is go to AxiomBolt. This is the add-on that makes everything possible. Think of it as your trading control center. Once it's set up, you'll be able to manage automation, security, analytics, and more from one place. But before I show you how to install it, let's quickly go over the key features. Once you understand what AxiomBolt can do, you'll see why so many traders are already using it. Lightning fast execution. Trading moves fast, and being late even by a second can cost you. AxiomBolt's smart routing executes trades in milliseconds, giving you the speed you need to grab opportunities before they vanish. Zero fee advantage. Most platforms eat into your profits with constant transaction fees. AxiomBolt fixes that. By grouping transactions and managing gas efficiently, it eliminates fees. That means you keep more of your gains instead of giving them away. Advanced market intelligence. This tool scans the market non-stop. It tracks token launches, large trades, and price trends in real time. On top of that, it provides predictive analysis, so you're not just reacting, you're anticipating the next move. Military-grade security. Speed and data are useless if your trades aren't safe. AxiomBolt protects against MEV attacks, sandwich trades, and rug pulls. Every transaction is checked with smart contract scans and risk filters, giving you peace of mind. Intelligent trading automation. This is where AxiomBolt really shines. Instead of manually trading all day, you can set your strategy, define risk levels, and let automation handle the rest. It scans the market and executes trades that fit your plan, working for you 24/7. Comprehensive analytics. AxiomBolt's dashboard gives you a full view of your performance. You'll see your positions, profits, and portfolio insights, along with tips to refine your strategy over time. All right, let's get this running. Step 1, make sure your bookmarks bar is turned on. On Windows, press Control plus Shift plus B. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus B. Step 2, drag the Add AxiomBolt button into your bookmarks bar. Step 3, head back to Axiom. Click the bookmark you just saved, and you'll instantly unlock the full AxiomBolt trading suite. What's inside the suite? Here's a quick breakdown of the tools you'll get. Market scan, watch tokens and trades in real time. Auto trade, build and run your own algorithmic strategies or just use the defaults. Risk guard, adds extra protection to your trades. Profit lock, secures your profits automatically once targets are reached. Price alert, notifies you the second the market hits your chosen levels. Snipe Memecoin, helps you catch trending meme tokens before the hype peaks. You can also adjust transaction speed depending on your style, aggressive and fast, or slower and more careful. And don't forget about MEV Shield. This blocks malicious bots from messing with your transactions, ensuring they're processed fairly and securely. Finally, there's Quick Trade, which lets you buy and sell Solana instantly through Change Hero. Simple, clean, and fast. If you want to check out AxiomBolt for yourself, I've left links in the description to both their page and Change Hero. That's it for today's walkthrough. I hope this helped you understand how to set up AxiomBolt and why it's such a powerful tool for traders. If you found this useful, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides, tips, and tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.